Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to update your phone number on Ring app. So without getting delay, let's jump into our video. Firstly, open your Ring app. For this, make sure you have already downloaded Ring app on your device. So after opening your Ring app, it will show you this interface. Here on top left corner you can see 3 bar. Tap on it. It will show you this menu. Here go to settings, account settings. It will navigate you to this interface. So in order to update, tap on phone number. On right side of phone number you can see update link. Click on it and here delete this number and enter another number, which number you want to update, and then tap on done button and then click on save button. So you have successfully updated phone number on Ring account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.